A ton of storylines in this one. We'll dig in. There is our whistle. And it is time for football in Chattanooga. Chattanooga Red Wolves looking to snap a 2-game skid. Northern Colorado looking to find its footing in a tune-up for the U.S. Open Cup in his native country. Played at Valparaiso, Division I, Northwest Indiana. Selected in the 4th round of the MLS Super Draft 2019 by Columbus Crew. Behind the defense, Northern Colorado is on the board. Stefan Lukic got behind the back line, and with authority, it's 1-0, Hailstorm. Lukic leaving Luna in his dust. That was poor from Chattanooga. Completely unaware. Northern Colorado to the right of the area. Low cross rolls in, denied. But it heads right back, and now a far post cross headed away. Left-footed blast up and out of the stadium. Showing some pulse now on the ball. And here they come again. Red Wolves coming in waves. This is a beautiful cross and finish. What perfection! It was started by Espinoza. Perfect ball to the back post. Espinoza, arm in the air. Feeds 2-1, Chattanooga! You keep putting pressure on, and it'll pay off. Benton with the late run on the corner. Carrera. It's still loose in the box, and it's 3! You see this corner entered in. Lukic did not get a good head on. It's touched on to Carrera. Near post, found its way through. That's going to be credited to Jose Carrera, it appears. Scally does try to put it on target, and he put it off the post. Oh, what a superb effort. But that is the story of the night for Northern Colorado. He has put his hands on his head. Keeper was beaten, perfectly played. Of added time. This corner headed on. Anavilas Rangy knew his right. Goes to ground. Chattanooga Red Wolves fell behind after 6 minutes. That flipped a switch, and after that, Chattanooga with the emphatic victory. And there's the final whistle.